Today, we will present Scenario 4, Entrepreneur versus Businessman. This story show how to graduate choose different paths in business. One creates something new, while the other follow a proven system. Let's find out how their decision shaped their journey.
Sa wakas pa rin, nakagraduate na tayo. Gusto ko sana gumawa ng bagong produkto, gumawa ng bagong design na hindi pa nagagawa ng kahit sino.
Ganun ba yung binabalak mo, Fred? Ako kasi, I'm planning to franchise a milky shop. So, parang meron na siyang name and brand. Tapos meron na rin siya mga produkto na ibebenta. Hindi na ako yung patulad ng sa'yo na yung sarili mong product.
Risky nga lang isa, pero exciting naman. For this incoming tools, itatry ko na i-test yung mga desserts na gagawin ko.
Person A start a small business. He experiment taste and improve his dessert. Person B invest a milk tea franchise and strictly follow the business manual.
Medyo masarap na siya, pero medyo matamis pa rin. So next weekend, ang gagawin ko is pagbawasan ko na lang ng konti yung sugar.
Masarap siya, iba sa casual dessert. So, may konting improvement lang and then you're
Thank you so much for your feedback. Gagamitin ko siya para mas mapa-improve ko lalo ang mga dessert.
According to manual, 200 ml of milk, 1 scoop of coffee. And then shake it for 30 seconds. Consistency is the key.
masarap. Same taste as other branches. Alam ko natin yung quality.
That's the advantage of franchise. Standard and trusted.
Both meet an investor who wants to understand their business approach.
So, tell me about your business.
So if I tested new ideas, I accepted my favor, and that's how I improved my business.
What about my business model? I am running and optimizing a model, a proven model. So less experimentation and more.
It's interesting and that's good to know. And upon checking here that one of you takes risks to innovate while the other ensures stability and success. And thank you so much for the both of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now I realize being an entrepreneur means creating something new, and it comes with many risks.
And being a businessman means running and improving an existing system.
Magkaiba man tayo na approach sa business.
And pareho pa rin naman tayo may mahalagang role sa economy.
In conclusion, an entrepreneur creates and tests new ideas, while a businessman runs and optimizes a proven model. Neither is better than the other, they simply have different roles, goals, and responsibility. What matters is choosing the path that fits your skills, mindset, and vision. Thank you.